What's up guys, Sal here. So the day we've been waiting for is here. Samsung finally confirms the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Also, we have interesting information about the handset that reveals the Z Fold 3 is gonna be the most powerful Android phone ever made, even better than the Galaxy S21 Ultra. But first, let's take a look at the official invitation of the Galaxy Unpacked event from Samsung. The event will be taglined, "Get ready to unfold." And for those of you living under the rock, Samsung will unveil Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3 and the Watch 4 and Buds 2 at the event. Also, it's the first time in a decade this Unpacked event won't feature a Galaxy Note. Samsung said they suspended the handset to next year in the midst of a global chip shortage. Also, Samsung is giving you some trade deals. If you reserve either the Z Fold 3 or Z Flip 3 early, you'll get increased trade-in credit of an extra $200 as well as a discount on a year of Samsung Care Plus. Additionally, early pre-orders will also come with a special offer or freebies that Samsung isn't specifying just yet. The Unpacked event will be a virtual one, and here are the timings for different regions. With that said, remember a few days ago I mentioned the importance of heat dissipation, aka cooling, in a smartphone. It doesn't matter if a phone has the most powerful chipset. If the cooling isn't right, then it will start throttling, hence the phone will operate at a reduced speed. The Snapdragon 888 has a heating issue. Phones like the Galaxy S21, OnePlus 9 Pro, Mi 11 Ultra, every phone that has this chipset have some sort of heating issue. The exact reason why this happened is unknown, but it's being said that Samsung's foundry is at fault here because Samsung made these chipsets for Qualcomm. But the good thing is, heating will not be a problem with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Well, that's according to Ice Universe, who says the Z Fold 3 produces less heat while playing games and is much stronger in performance compared to the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which also has the same chipset, and most importantly, it has a better battery life. Now, he didn't mention what kind of tech Samsung has implemented inside the Z Fold 3 to make it happen, but I guess there are mainly two reasons. One is the display. Samsung is using a new polymer-less display that can go to higher nits of brightness without consuming much battery. Second, since the Z Fold 3 has a wider surface area compared to the S21 Ultra, the heat spreads out and can flow more evenly, and as a result, the temperature doesn't reach extreme levels. So because of this, the handset can operate at full speed for a longer period of time without throttling. Also, here is an update regarding a video I made a few days ago. It was reported that Sony's $1,300 flagship, the Xperia 1 Mark III, will only get one major update, which means Android 12 will be its last update. And it was originated from Sony itself, from their Netherlands page, so it wasn't just a rumor. Turns out Sony's employee made a mistake. Sony clarified that the handset will get two major updates, which means the handset will get updated to Android 13 next year. Of course, do consider subscribing for all the latest tech news, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.